A range of cells is a set of adjacent cells in our area of work in Excel that share a collection of data that we want to work with as a whole. For example, if in this spreadsheet we click the AutoSum function, the utility that adds a series of adjacent cells, we see that this data range that we have, which goes from cell C5 to C19, that we want, is a collection of homogeneous data that we might want in this case to add together. In any case, in general, we might want to work with this data as a whole. We see that it expresses it like C5, C19. So when we hit enter, it is very easy to calculate the sum of all the data that is included in this set of cells. This set of cells is therefore a range. Ranges are sets of cells that I can indicate vertically, but also horizontally. A set of cells that goes, in this particular case, for example, from UPV to UPV is also a data range. It depends on how our spreadsheet is built. We might want to work with a horizontal, vertical range, or in general a rectangular range. All of these data, I can select them together, and it will be treated as a range to which I will be able to apply a specific operations. But by doing so just once, it will be applied to all of the cells in this range. What things can we do? Well, we could carry out operations on it, make reference from other cells, or from other operations. We could make reference to all quantities that are in this range, as we have done with the AutoSum function. Or we could jointly apply to all of them some kind of format, some transformation operation, an operation, etc.